Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma stated that appointing ministers alone cannot meet the aspirations of the indigenous population without full implementation of the Tiprasa Accord, warning that the community will pursue alternative paths if their rights and demands are unmet. Speaking to the media, Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma stated the discussions regarding the implementation of the Tiprasa Accord were held with BJP leaders in Delhi. He urged leaders to set aside internal disputes over positions and focus on working collectively for the welfare of the indigenous people. Bubagra also expressed gratitude to the Prime Minister and Home Minister for the agreement to implement the Tiprasa Accord, while reiterating that the community will pursue alternative paths if full implementation is not met.
So, most importantly, I have not been in Tripura. I was undergoing a lot of my personal treatment, and there are a lot of developments which have taken place, and I think we need to address this to the party. There are certain issues which have to be clarified, and there are certain steps which need to be taken. And I think that if I don't communicate this clearly to my party, this will not be communicated to the people on the ground. So that's the reason I've asked for this extended meeting. And let's see after that what happens.
We have seen you in a meeting with the BJP central leadership. Was there any talks regarding the implementation of the tripartite agreement?
Only the Tiprasa Accord has been discussed, and I am very clear. देखो, अगर मैं अपने MDC, MLA और कुछ लीडर्स के लिए कुछ मांगूंगा और अपने लोगों के लिए कुछ नहीं मांगूंगा जिसने हमें इस पोजीशन में लाया है, देन मेरा नाम, मुझे बुबागरा अपने आप को बोलने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. If these people are serious, they should implement the Tiprasa Accord. I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister of India and the Home Minister of India, but if the Tiprasa Accord is not implemented, then I think we will have to decide in the next course of action.
It's already 2.5 years.
No. The point is, we all know what happened in TTATC elections. मेरे पार्टी को किसने तोड़ने का कोशिश किया, किसने टिपरा मोथा को तोड़ा, किसके MLAs मेरे खिलाफ गए, MDCs को लेने का कोशिश किया गया, 2-3 चले भी गए, तो कौन ने किया ये हमको मालूम नहीं है. मैं जानता नहीं हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर कितना पर्सनल अटैक किया गया, लेकिन वो सब मैं भूलने के लिए तैयार हूँ अगर आप हमारे तिप्रासा लोगों को तिप्रासा अकॉर्ड में अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स दे. अगर आप पूरे वो ही नहीं देना चाहते हैं तो 14 लोगों को BAC चेयरमैन बना के, 2-3 लोगों को अच्छा मंत्री का पोस्ट दे के, कुछ वन टाइम फाइनेंशियल पैकेज दे के आप 10-15 लोगों को खुश करोगे, लेकिन 14 लाख लोग जहाँ में थे वहीं में रहेंगे. मैं पैसे के लिए नहीं आया हूँ, मेरे लोगों को आप दो उनका अधिकार, वरना मैं अपना रास्ता अलग से जाऊँगा.
Speaking on the political climate during the TTADC, Bubagra addressed attempts to fracture party unity and target individuals. He asserted that efforts were made to induce MDCs and MLAs to defect, adding that those behind these actions are known, and reaffirmed his dedication to the welfare of the indigenous people above personal gain. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.